2 years into the COVID-19 pandemic, child advocates say mental health issues are continuing to impact young people in Naperville and DuPage County. So much so, social services organizations are grappling with how to bridge gaps and community support for struggling kids. Inside Out Club founder and executive director Marion Ruthig says the collaboration that goes on among local nonprofits in these efforts is wonderful to see.
I think we're fortunate that we have a lot of wonderful organizations, and the collaborative youth team that's under the KidsMatter umbrella really does bring those organizations together to help on some of these bigger, projects. And I know that youth mental health is one of the big projects that we're going to be looking at and trying to address and tackle. When we see gaps, we can come together and figure out, okay, who can help fill that gap? Is it something that Inside Out Club can do? Is it something the Alive Center can fill? How do we do that to serve our kids and families?
At the Alive Center, students are encouraged to drop in when they need a safe space. They can also stop by and take part in tutoring, events, and clubs. Alive Center CEO Candace Hanning says the center is all about empowering kids to lead their best lives.
So the name Alive is about what makes you come alive. Who are you? What are your gifts, your talents? What are you good at, right? Rather than comparing yourself to everybody else, who are you, right? So it's a safe place to explore that. Because so many kids, so many adults don't know, their gifts and talents and who they are. So to be able to provide that space for kids to be able to find that out or to lead a program, then that gains confidence in them, right? And so what we really strive for is bringing more confident kids and empowered kids out into the world.
17-year-old Kylie Tazinski of Naperville says she first dropped by the center about 2 years ago after changing schools and finding herself feeling isolated.
Well, it also happened to be that time right before where the pandemic had started, so I kind of got unlucky with that. The beginning was definitely tough. I'm more of a shy person, so coming here where everyone was super welcoming was extremely helpful.
But not all kids can be supported in the same ways. Among the difficulties some families are having is finding counseling services for their kids. That's where organizations like the Inside Out Club hope to make a difference.
We work with little kids to help them understand, kindness to yourself is just as important as kindness to others. Mental health is just as important as physical health. And I think during a crisis, reminding yourself about gratitude and kindness and just getting outside of yourself can really be a powerful thing for kids and adults alike.
Though the Inside Out Club doesn't provide counseling support, it does offer a variety of services and programs, ranging from volunteer opportunities and community engagement to on-demand access to books, videos, and projects. 14-year-old Bree Ellis of Naperville says it's been difficult dealing with all the pandemic restrictions, but the Alive Center has been helpful for her.
I love it here because there's just a lot of people that are very supportive, and there's a lot of things to do that are very interactive.
Being engaged, connected, and open to new things is what local child advocates say are keys to promoting positive mental health. For Naperville News 17, I'm Megan Horsted.